Exclusive Vista social offers. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're taking a look at Vista social. So let's get into it. Now the links will be in the description below, so make sure you check them out. And having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now Vista social is a social manager where you can manage all of your social media. They have tons of support. They manage pretty much every single social media tool out there, so you don't have to worry about compatibility. You can just simply come over here and manage your posts. You can schedule your post, messages, comments, followers. You can get analytics. Everything is going to be available over here for you. And you can sign up by clicking the link in the description below, so make sure you check that out. Now it's not free, so you will need to get those discounts, and these are the pricings right here. So this is the yearly price and this is the monthly price. So you can check them out and you can see all of the pros and cons, how many social medias they support, how many profiles you can add, how many users you can have. Everything is going to be available over here, so you won't have to worry about that. So you can see right here, we got a bunch of different options. So you can select whichever one you want and you should be good to go. Now, I already have an account, so that's why I'm logged in. And when you first log in, this is how it's going to look like. You're going to have to verify your email address. You're going to have to connect your social media profile and invite your team members, right? You can do that on yourself. To add or connect a social media application, come over here on the left-hand side. And here you can see all of the options, right? So here you can, let me go ahead and actually verify my account real quick, and then we can have those options. All right, so now that we have verified it, now you're going to come over here onto the left-hand side. You can either click over here or click over here on the add profile button, all right? And so you've clicked on it, you can just simply go ahead and select one of these options right here and basically connect your account. If you're going to connect Instagram, make sure that your Instagram profile is converted into business. Otherwise, it might not connect. Then just select either personal or business creator and click on next, but it totally depends on you. And then here you just simply log in into your username, basically add in your username profile, avatar, and click on connect, and you should be good to go. So there you go. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.